Nurses at a Snohomish County hospital are planning to strike if a new contract is not reached.
Providence Medical Center in Everett has lost 600 nurses since 2021, and the union says it's largely due to wages. King 5's Drew Andre has been covering the negotiations and joins us live with the update. Drew, good morning.
Well, good morning, Mimi. And that contract has now officially expired at this point. And of course, there's still no deal yet. Now, there are more negotiations that are set to happen Friday evening. But after that, nurses say they are at the point where they have agreed to strike, and an overwhelming majority has. 97% of nurses that voted struck down the latest contract offer from Providence Everett Medical Center. And the union says 83% of its nurses showed up to vote. They say that's more than normal. Now, if nurses were to go on strike, they have to give the hospital a 10-day notice. And nurses we've spoken with said they don't want to, but they're willing.
When you have nurses that are saying that, things are really dire. Put language in our contract that shows that they will be willing to hold themselves accountable for a safe level of staffing.
Now, while Providence works to strike a deal, there's big news this morning from Kaiser Permanente. The healthcare union that represents staffers at Kaiser has reached a tentative agreement on a new 4-year labor contract. Kaiser staffers voted to go on strike for the first 8 days of November if a deal wasn't reached by today. So who knows what that could point to when it comes to Providence. But back here live in Everett this morning, we're coming down to the final days here of this stretch. Now, Providence Everett says that they offered a 13% wage increase. Nurses here say they want to make sure that those wages are competitive for several more years as more contracts come up, and that they have those staffing ratios that they want. If a strike does happen, Providence Everett told me that they will be able to hire capable staff to fill those spots for the time being. Reporting live in Everett this morning, I'm Drew Andre, King 5 News.